Selle kauni maja Tallinnas Eha tänaval projekteeris arhitekt Nikolai Kuzmin 1946. aastal.
This house was built for polyclinic and Haikla for Eesti Raudtee workers' children. And I even, one day I was sitting in a taxi and that was an older man driving and we just had a small talk and he said, "Oh yes, I know this because I was in the Haikla when I was child."
Ilusa nimega soomlanna Sinimeri on üks neist, kes sellesse majja oma kodu lõi. Kokku on hoones muide 12 korterit. Sinimeri imeline kodu asub keldrikorrusel ja vajas peale ostmist 2009. aastal kõvasti tööd ning vaeva.
This was, the building itself was outside renovated, just in the same condition as it is now, but inside a little bit more than half apartments were for sale. And the whole idea of the building was that the infrastructure like water pipes and electricity and internet and air condition was new, but the premises were very rough condition, like here for instance, so nicely dusty.
Nii asuski naine koos abilistega omale kodu looma. Suurim töö ja vaev läks seintele. Sinimeri soovis, et tema kodu näeks välja selline, nagu ta oli kunagi Itaalias näinud. Need pildid on tehtud ühes mäe sisse ehitatud hotellis. Nii valis ta enda koduseinu katma Saaremaa Lubikrofi.
So this is the area from where we started the work. And of course at the moment I was not professional. Later I became. So you can see these handwritings up here because the plaster, the bottom must be clean first of all, no dust, and then spray water and then nearly throw the plaster there and then let it stay.
Sinimeri kodu on stiilne ja samas äärmiselt detailirohke. See tuleneb sellest, et naine on oma disaineri ja moelooja karjääri jooksul reisinud väga palju mööda maailma. Seega pole ka imestada, miks tema kodus nii palju erilisi asju on.
I used to work with an Indian company in Delhi nearly 27 years as a designer. And I made collections for Finnish big customer. That was my work. And then as being a curious person, I went to villages in India, for instance, which was very exciting. I went there along with my private driver. And before that and after that, I have traveled in many countries. I counted once some 30 countries I have visited, and many of them several times.
Sinimeri elamine on aga müügis. City24 portaalis leiab selle 143 500 euroga. Miks ta oma kodu siis maha müüa soovib?
It has quite a lot of to do with my curious character and my style of life. I want new things. I don't want to get the feeling inside me that I'm stuck in something. And this is the apartment of my life I have stayed the longest. And most probably I go to Pärnu.